Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. I would need to know what marks they put on your visa in order to know what it meant. I can't tell you without knowing, what exactly they put, whether it was numbers or some regulation. I need to know. I also, I know that you said you're also, I believe you said you're also going to France. You have another couple parts of this message, and you want to know if there's going to be an issue. Again, the same answer. I can't tell you unless I know exactly what it is they wrote. Now, sometimes when you come in, officers will write things that legally do not affect the visa, but they make you think it did. Okay. Like, for example, somebody will come in on a B2 visa and the officer will be unhappy for one reason or another, but still can't deny entry because all the qualifications are met. So they'll put something on it saying, cannot adjust status. Okay. I mean, they have no authority to deny a person to adjust if they want to, or if they qualify, or to file later for an extension of status and then after that an adjustment. So you have to, that's why I'm saying you have to really know what it is that they put on there so that I could review the regulation and see what it is that the officer's trying to claim to do. Just because the officer puts it on there does not make it gospel, okay? It doesn't make it so that it's an absolute certainty that you can or can't do something. Sometimes officers think they have a lot more authority than they do. And they try to abuse that authority by exerting uh, through actions items that they don't have the authority to do. So, given that, you can at some point later know what it is that they wrote, what was said. I need to have some context. Was there some kind of arguments? Have you already been in the country a few times and this is the fourth time? The officer said, you're not coming in again if you do this or that, and wrote some condition on. So, those are the elements that I would need to know. I would not just leave and go to France without having some analysis of what it is that the officer wrote, because we don't want you to be inadmissible because of, for example, the officer thought you might be on the verge or have committed some kind of fraud or something like that. So once you inform me or another attorney what it is that was on there, then we can let you know more specifically what risks you have, whether there's any issues, whether the officer was abusing his or her authority, and or whether it doesn't have any real effect on you or not. Okay.